Hey guys, so in this tutorial we're going to take a look at how to solve simultaneous equations using the substitution method. I'm going to be taking you through two examples. So our first question is asking us to solve the simultaneous equations 3x plus 4y equals 39 and y equals 2x minus 4. Now when we're being asked to solve these equations, what we're trying to do is to find an x value and a y value which will make both of the equations true. And there are several ways of doing this. We can do it by elimination or we can do it by drawing graphs, but in this video we are going to focus on the substitution method. So I'm just going to talk you through how to solve simultaneous equations using this method. Okay, so we know that 3x plus 4y equals 39, but we also know that y is equal to 2x minus 4. So it's possible to rewrite this first equation, but instead of writing y, we are going to write 2x minus 4, because y and 2x minus 4 are exactly the same thing. So I'm going to rewrite this first equation, and instead of writing y, I'm going to substitute that with 2x minus 4. And then equate that to 39. Right, so next we need to multiply out these brackets. So we have 3x, 4 times 2x equals 8x, and 4 times minus 4 equals minus 16. That is equal to 39. Next we can add the x values. So 3x plus 8x equals 11x, minus 16 equals 39. And our aim is to get all the x's on one side of the equation and all the numbers on the other side of the equation. So to do that, we need to carry the 16 over to the other side. And we can do this by adding 16 to both sides. So if we add 16 to the left side, we get 11x. And adding it to the right side, we get 55. Because remember, in equations, whatever we do to one side of the equation, we have to do to the other side of the equation. Okay, so 11x equals 55. So to get the x value on its own, we need to divide both sides by 11 to get x equals 5. Now most people think that once they found the x value that they've finished answering the question, but we still need to find out a value for y. And the easiest way to do this is to put our known value for x back into the equation for y equals. So y equals 2x minus 4. We know that x equals 5 because we've just worked that out. So y equals 2 times 5, which is 10, minus 4, and that gives us 6. So our solutions are x equals 5 and y equals 6. And if you put those values for x and y into both equations, it will work for both of them. Right, so let's take a look at our second example. Right, so in our second example, we are solving the simultaneous equations 4x plus 7y equals 113 and x plus y equals 20. So to be able to solve this using the substitution method, we need one of the equations to be in the form of x equals or y equals. If you remember in our first example, one of the equations was in the form of y equals. So this time let's change one of the equations to make it into the form of x equals. And the easiest equation to change is this one. So to get it into the form of x equals, we need to subtract y from both sides. And that will give us x equals 20 minus y. And now that we have it into the form of x equals, we can put it back into the first equation. So we are going to substitute 20 minus y instead of x. 4 times 20 minus y plus 7y equals 113. So again, step 1 is to multiply out the brackets. 4 times 20 is equal to 80. 4 times minus y equals minus 4y plus 7y equals 113. So the next step is to add the y's. Minus 4y plus 7y is equal to 3y. And let's not forget the 80 on this side. Okay, so again, we want all the letters on one side and the numbers on the other side. The quickest way to do this is to subtract 80 from both sides. And that will give us 3y equals 33. And then dividing both sides by 3, y is equal to 11. But again, we haven't yet finished the question because we still need to find out a value for x. So x is equal to 20 minus y. We know that y is equal to 11. So x equals 20 minus 11, which equals 9. So our solutions are y equals 11 and x equals 9. And if you put them back into the original equations, both of them will work. So that's the end of the video, guys. I hope you found it useful, and if you did, then make sure you subscribe to my channel for more videos coming up. Bye!